Hi friends, welcome back to Chinka TV.
I'm Bunny and this is my friend Chinky.
Today we are going to learn something fun, easy and super interesting.
Yes, today's lesson is about shapes.
Open your eyes wide and get ready to learn. Let's begin. Today when I opened my lunchbox, I saw my sandwich was shaped like a box.
A box shape? That sounds like a square, Chinky.
Yes, today we are going to learn about the square. What is a square?
A square is a shape with 4 equal sides, 4 corners.
All sides are the same size?
Yes, that is what makes a square special.
So a square is neat and balanced.
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners.
Counting shapes is fun. Special features of a square.
A square does not roll, can stack neatly.
That's why boxes and tiles are square-shaped.
Exactly.
Bunny, where do we see squares around us?
We see squares everywhere. Window, chessboard, floor tiles, gift box.
Wow, my house is full of squares. Bunny, can I draw a square?
Of course. To draw a square, draw 4 straight lines. Make sure all sides are equal.
I will draw a perfect square.
Squares can be big, small.
Big like a window and small like a chocolate piece.
Great example.
Why learning square is important?
Learning about squares helps us understand shapes, build things neatly, learn maths easily.
Squares make learning fun and easy.
Let's revise. Square has 4 equal sides. It has 4 corners. It does not roll. We see squares everywhere.
Square is strong, neat and smart.
Shapes help us understand the world around us.
I will find squares at home, school and playground.
Keep learning and have fun.
Today when I opened my lunchbox, I saw something round and rolly.
Round and rolly? That sounds like a circle, Chinky.
Yes! Today we are going to learn about the circle, the round shape. What is a circle?
A circle is a round shape.
Round like my apple and a ball.
Very good. A circle has no corners, no sides.
So it's smooth all around.
One special thing about a circle is that it can roll.
Roll, roll, roll. That's why balls can roll.
Yes, shapes with corners cannot roll easily, but circles can.
Bunny, where do we see circles around us?
We see circles everywhere. Sun, moon, clock, plate, wheel.
Wow! Circles are everywhere in my house and school. Bunny, is it easy to draw a circle?
Yes, we can draw a circle by using a bottle cap, tracing a coin, moving our hand in a round shape.
I love drawing big and small circles.
Circles can be big, small.
Big like a hula hoop and small like a button.
Excellent example.
Why learning circle is important?
Learning about circles helps us recognize objects, learn maths easily, understand shapes around us.
Circles help us learn and play.
Let's revise. Circle is a round shape. It has no sides and no corners. It can roll. We see circles everywhere.
Circle is my favorite shape.
Learning shapes makes maths fun.
I will look for circles at home, in school, and in the park. Keep learning and have fun.
Wow, friends. Learning shapes is so much fun.
Now you can find shapes at home, school, playground.
Keep practicing and keep learning every day.
If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chinka TV.
See you soon with another fun lesson.
Bye friends! Happy learning!